Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's been quite a while since I've had a video on here. I think that my last one was my brand new Coyote 4710 tractor, but now I have a new toy that I want to show you. This is my SCAG CHEETAH 2, 31 horsepower, 61-inch deck lawnmower. Just picked it up, brand spanking new. Doesn't have a minute on it as far as I've owned it. But this is it. It's a nice looking machine, I guess, as far as Z-turns go. She's a big girl. I have a Kubota Commander 27 horsepower, 54-inch, which is more of a residential type of mower than this one. This is absolutely a commercial, but I have more property that I have to mow now. And I think this is gonna be working out just fine for me. I'm gonna show it to you. See what you think. Maybe put some comments in there. Let me know what your opinion is. It's got the Velocity deck, 61-inch, I think I said. Got lights, comfortable seat, suspension seat, which moves your feet also. So every time you hit a bump, your feet don't stay stationary, your feet move with your body. Has the control panel, LED control panel. Two 6.5 gallon tanks, so I should be cutting grass all day. Kawasaki 31 horsepower engine. It's just an all around nice looking Z-turn. Kind of like it. So what I did was I wanted to put some more lights on it. I got these two lights over here, and my thought with these is I thought that when I had it out at night, the way that they're positioned, my legs are going to be creating shadows. The lever for the deck to go up and down and the brake are going to be creating shadows. So I wanted to put some more LED lights on here. I thought about putting them here on this bar, but the problem with that is when I cut grass and I pull up to a tree or a pole or a fence post, I kind of have the tendency to pull up and tap my front bumper there against it, and then I move back. And I didn't want an LED light bar getting in the way and breaking it whenever I did that. So what I did was I was going to put it up on the ropes, and putting it up there will get that out of the way and probably give me a little bit more light in and around the area that I'm cutting in front of me. I picked a light bar up off of Amazon. It's a Nilight, N-I-L-I-G-H-T, 18-inch light bar. It has spot and floodlights built into it. I put it up on the ropes. It's right there. Fits pretty nice up there. I'm a little bit concerned because if I hit a branch, I'm afraid that that's going to take the brunt of hitting the branch. But what I did was, and I've been watching a lot of videos of these guys who put LED bars on their Z-turns. They drill out the holes, they run the wires, and everything is permanently mounted at that point. So what I did, and I'm going to get a lot of backlash for this, but I don't care. This is my tractor. Nobody else is paying for it, just me. I bought the ones with the magnetic base. So it has two magnets there, two magnets on the other side. And they hold it pretty good in place. But on top of that, I zip tied it on there, and I cranked those zip ties down really tight. That thing's not moving, not at all. It's in there, and it's in there solid. I mean, you can't see it, but it's solid, it's not moving. If I didn't have the zip ties on there, I would imagine that the vibration would eventually have that thing fall off of it, but I don't think it's going anywhere with those zip ties. And the good thing about it is, and I'll reiterate this, it's my Z-turn. I wanted it there. So at the end of the season in November, when I'm done cutting, I can take it off, cut the zip ties, put it on the ropes on my tractor, and then when I'm out plowing snow in the wintertime, I can use it there. So I don't have to go out and buy 2 light bars. If it doesn't work, and I don't like, and it ends up that it doesn't work being mounted up on the ropes, I can put it down there. So I don't drill any holes. I don't have to run any wires. And the power point has its own switch. It plugs right into the cigarette lighter. So I don't have to go running wires to the battery. Everything is compact. Everything is temporary. If I want to move it, I can move it. When I turn on the lights, those are the front lights. Off, on. They're pretty bright, right? And here's the LED bar. You can't see it. It's not a really good representation because it's up against the white bar, but it is really, really bright. And that's it there. So, my choice, my Z-turn. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. It's what I decided I'm doing. But I can't wait to get going this summer. Once it warms up and the grass starts growing, I plan on cutting some grass. This has a transport mode. It goes 16 miles an hour. My Kubota has a top speed of 8 miles an hour. I drove this thing in transport mode when I took it off with a flatbed. It flies. It goes too fast. There's no reason for it to be going 16 miles an hour. In low range, it goes 12 miles an hour. That's what you would cut grass. That's too fast. You go through some thick grass, you don't need to go 12 miles an hour. But they say that with that velocity deck and the blade speed, it'll have no problem cutting it. So we'll see. Hope you like it. I'll get back to you with some more videos once I get this thing out into the field and start cutting grass. Peace out.